guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on possibly some kind of washi stickers. Yesterday I showed you how to make some washi tape with this medical paper tape, thin medical paper tape. It's so much like washi tape as far as texture and stuff. So today I'm thinking I'm going to work on making some washi stickers basically. So I'm just going to, I haven't made one of these. Was trying to think how I would do it, and thought, well, I could start by kind of layering up some strips and kind of overlapping them, sticking them down good. I've got a piece of baking parchment paper with the shiny side up on my table here. Let's see, I'm taking this stamp. I'm going to work on this stamp here. And I think this will be kind of neat to have it kind of layered up maybe. We'll just play in with it and see what happens. So I want all my edges down good. Start with some black around the edges here. This is just some cheap acrylic paint. Just seeing where it goes. Dry this. Okay, that's dry for the most part. Let's see. Put down some white. This paint is so thick. Okay, I'm going to dry that. Okay, I think I'm going to stamp this kind of background here, but I'm going to try to do it kind of lightly. And I'm thinking that, like, you know, the higher points of the tape should probably catch this design more. I don't know. We'll just see how this works out. I'm not stamping all the way to the edges because I don't want it to be, you know, I don't want those hard lines in case I get it off center. So we'll just see how this works out. Pretty much, yeah, I just picked up on the high points, which is kind of interesting. I think if you were to flip this over or stick your hand under it or something, it would probably do more, but I kind of like that where it's just kind of showing on the edges there. So I'm just going to leave that the way it is, and I think I'm going to go ahead and stamp him right there. I think I want to put this right top maybe. This is a chalk stamp pad, so it takes a little bit to get it loaded up good. Let's see if this works. Interesting. It's not quite as dark as I had thought it might be, but it's not too bad. So if I wanted to, I could go back in and touch up. In here. Okay. Now, all right. Now that that's done, I just got some of this washi tape holding this down. It's pretty much the only tape that'll actually stick to my mat. I tried using clear tape and it just rolls right up, but the washi tape stuff, paper tape, actually sticks. So, alright. Now, I can trim this down however I want to. And then I've got like a washi sticker. I can put that on anything, and if I want to, I can save these little pieces here. As you can see, it just comes right off. Basically, you can turn that into any kind of a washi tape or stickers, or whatever you want to do. You can keep that, or you can cut these in any shape you want to. See how fairly easy to peel off that backing. So, you can make up any kind of stickers you want. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try to make another one. I think I want to make something to go with this kind of Halloween one. I think I'll use that. Reuse my washi pieces that I had on the first one. So that's kind of fun, actually. Really push those pieces of tape down. Word to the wise, don't rub your tape with dirty fingers. It does start to rub onto the tape. Start like this. See if I can get an orange color here. That's a little bit better. It's kind of like a mustard yellow. That'll work. Just to give it some background. Kind of add a little bit of red in here and there. Give it that fall leaves looking look to it. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see. Put just a little bit of black around the edges here, I think. Just to kind of make a scene, and well, why not? I just knocked my glitter over, so why not add a little bit of glitter into the wet paint? Let's see if it sticks. I may just end up blowing it all over my workbench when I turn this heater on. Okay, I got that dried out. I think I want to add just a little bit more yellow because I want to kind of brighten her up a little bit. My fingers are covered with paint. Alrighty. Hit that again. Alright, so I think this is dry pretty much. You kind of want to let it cool a little bit. This, I know it's not close to Halloween, but I found this stamp at the Goodwill outlet a while back, and I haven't ever got to use it yet, but it's such a good stamp. I don't even know, let's see, maybe it says, oh, 2014 Stampendous. Nobody else used it either, apparently, but it is such a cool stamp, and it's so well made. It's very deep, so I think it's going to be a cool stamp. Sure, I've never seen this stamp before, so it was kind of fun to find it at the Goodwill outlet in the bottom of a bin, so see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Oh, can't see it very well. I think my background's too dark, but I can see it well enough that I can go over it with my marker. This is just a Galaxy marker. I think it's important to have a little bit lighter background so you can see it better. Okay, Well, got that gone over. So, well, that's that one. Not exactly like I was hoping it would come out, but it can still be used for something. Probably use it on a trick-or-treat bag or something for Halloween. Stick it to a paper sack or something. That might be kind of fun. I think next time I do this one, I'll do a lighter background. Maybe, ooh, you know what would be cute? Pastel-Halloween. That would be cute. But anyway, so just an idea of what you can do with your stickers. Now, I would cut around this one, but I kind of thought it would be cool to have kind of a torn background instead. So, that might be kind of cool on a bag or something. And you could always go back in and, lighten that up with some white paint or something, but I think I might try it on a pastel background next time I try that one. But yeah, and the glitter did stay in the paint, so that's kind of cool. It has a little bit of glitter going on. She might be cool with some glitter on her, but anyway, so that's what I'm done with that for today. That was a nice little experiment to make some washi stickers of any kind. You see, you can get any kind of style that you want going. Let's see about taking this one off. Show you this one. So literally, you can just peel it right off. And you can see, it's kind of see-through a little bit, just like a washi sticker. I don't know, once you put it down on something, but yeah, there's a washi sticker. You could, stamp names or stamp, whatever you wanted to stamp on it, really. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Anyway, I think that was a fun experiment, and those will be some neat things to add. Could have trimmed that really close and just made that a sticker, so that would have been neat. But you can do any kind of thing you want to do. I was thinking, somewhere around here. I've got some little frame stamps. Some little frames might be cool. And then you can cut out the center, with an X-Acto knife or something, or just cut it out with scissors. And then you have some washi frames you could put into your books. So you can do anything with these. So anyway, I hope I've inspired you to try something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.